Any questions?
Sometimes to overcome kama, krodha, mada, lobha, matsarya. Though we are very aware that janma, mrityu, jara, vyadi, we cannot come out of it. And we do practice all the regulative principles. The society is such that, the circumstances is such that, and Maya is very, 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 very powerful. Every time testing, every moment testing. So I have seen not only myself, most of the best devotees, senior devotees have also fallen into it. So do you say, is it their past karma because of which they are going through these phases?
What is the last one?
Past karma. Is it
Past
because
life.
the past karma that they have debited or credited, they are going through this? Or if it is so, how do we overcome? With the limited chance of participation in whatever capacity we can do at the Krishna consciousness or religious spiritual activities.
You see, we are all born with certain karma. We are born with karma means born to enjoy or suffer that karma. And that is the force of Kala that unfolds our karma phala as we grow, from baby to childhood to as we grow. So there is a Kala's continuous force unleashing our karma that is going on parallelly. So that is a force that is acting on our sharira and our subtle body. This is acting. Now you, the soul beyond the sharira and the subtle body, you come to Prabhupada, you come to Krishna, you understand that this basic force of this body is fruitive activity and sense gratification. Now, understood. And I am trapped. That also I understood. I am conditioned. I am conditioned to taste sense gratification. I am conditioned to believe that sense gratification is enjoyment. I am conditioned to believe. So, simply by knowing it is not enough. Maya may be very powerful. Maya will continue her work as long as this body is there on us. Maya will continue to work. But we got something. Daivesha gunamai mama maya duratya mameva ye prapadyante maya metab taradite. Maya is nothing before Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. That faith is required. That faith that this Nama is Krishna himself is required. Then that Shakti will come simply if you chant offensively, without Shraddha. You will see that Maya is, okay, here is Maya come. I am chanting Hare Krishna. But I fall down. Why? It is said that Krishna is Mame prapadyante mayametam tarantite. You do reverse thinking. That means that I have not invoked Krishna the way the Shastra says to invoke. A very simple, it's not very complicated. Like a child, if you chant, and plus you should have desire. There are two things very important. You have to have a desire to give up Maya, and then take the weapons given by Guru and Krishna, then we will cross over. You cannot say that I will not consciously desire to give up sense gratification. I will only chant and my sense gratification will go. No. Krishna or Krishna Nama does not force you into anything if you don't desire. You should desire first. God helps those who help themselves. So our desire is so important. So when we fall back, it is because my desire is not strong enough. And desire is in your hands. If you want, you can make it strong enough. Old desires are there. That is stronger. That's called vasana in the mind. Default desire is so strong. The memory of enjoyment is so strong that vasana, I want once more. So it is not about, at that time, it is about, we have to understand that what we are just now discussing. At a macro level, you have to understand. I don't want to go into analysis of this particular sense gratification is giving me enjoyment or not. I know from a big picture that this is a trapping desire. Therefore, I don't want this. I am desiring Krishna. So by such association with a higher desire, higher taste, and then chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, then you can. Otherwise, you see, as you said, for quite some time I'll be nicely Krishna conscious. Suddenly Maya, something will come and immediately make me fall down. Then you start wondering, I've been chanting so long, all these things, why again I am falling down? The factor is, even if you are chanting nicely, if you have your desire, sometimes the chanting will go and feed your desires. That is another risk. It's not that, just like weeds, these fruitive desires, fruitive activity, these vasanas are like weeds, along with the bhakti, lata. The creeper of devotion service is growing in our heart. Along with that, according to Kala's force, the weeds are also sprouting. And those weeds, they drink this strength from your chanting Hare Krishna. So it is extremely important. The weapons given by Prabhupada, Krishna from the spiritual world, chanting, deity worship, reading his books, prasadam, all these things plus your desire. This sometimes you miss out. It's not automatic. If you desire, you have got all the power. You desire to become a pure devotee, should become strong, should be cultivated, then you have all the weapons required to overcome Maya. So the answer to the question is, we have to cultivate our desire in addition to having full faith in the Krishna's association in the form of Nama, holy name, prasadam, deity worship.